different. You like the way I keep you on your toes, and I like the way you're open and accepting. But there's something about me no one knows. Well, we've been going steady for a while now, and I really think that we've got something real. So I am gonna share with you my secret, and after you can tell me how you feel. See, every month I undergo a change. It happens every full moon without fail. I grow big furry paws, a snout with whiskers, pointy teeth and ears and claws and tail. That's why I'm howling at the moon, like in a cartoon. That's why I sleep from dawn to noon, 'cause I'm howling at the moon. So this is why we haven't spent the night yet, and why you've only briefly met my folks. I had to figure out if you could handle, and not just take it as one of my jokes. I hope you understand I'm still the same me. It really isn't that bad a condition, and please don't think it's out of my control, dear. I'd never bite you without your permission. I'm just howling at the moon, whether deep December or in June. I wasn't born anywhere near a silver spoon. No, I'm just howling at the moon. Way down deep inside, I'm just a puppy. A mob with fire and pitchforks wouldn't do. I feel the lunar pull just like the oceans, but no one makes me happier than you. And even though the change is only monthly, it's always home to see the midnight sky. I wonder how it feels to sing together. Oh, darling, would you like to come and try? And we'll go howling at the moon, crashing quarter new or full blue. Every night we'll come out here to croon as we go howling at the moon, howling at the moon. A happy little wolf girl's favorite tune. Not a where frog, where macaw, or where baboon. No, I'm just howling at the moon, howling at the moon, howling at the moon, howling at the moon, howling at the moon. You're dating a werewolf.